This is the EV2D, our new proportional valve control card, especially designed for valve-controlled press brake applications. For an easy information interchange between the main controller and the EV2D, several options are available. You can control the card either by analog inputs or, in that case, by EtherCat. This product shall fulfill the most common requirements regarding digitalization, safety, and norm conformity. Especially for the US market, we have made an UL certification. For the European market, we have made a sealed certification, so the product can be used as a safety product and as a product in safety applications.